Good morning, everyone, from Cartagena, Colombia. I came in yesterday. I'm excited to be here. On my way in the Uber, I saw Castle San Felipe, which overpowers the skyline. It's basically a giant fortress that has seen many battles throughout history, built on top of a hill. You see it once you enter the city. So today we're going to go explore that. It looks awesome. The architecture looks great. It's just really cool piece of history here. So let me show it to you. Again, Cartagena, Colombia, San Felipe Castle. Here we go.
Welcome to Cartagena, Colombia. Behind me is the city's ultimate guardian, Castillo San Felipe de Barajas. This isn't your average castle. It's a fortress that survived pirates, sieges, and centuries of tropical heat. And today, we're exploring it together. Built in 1536 and expanded over 200 years, this place was basically the Spanish Empire's military crown jewel in the Americas. In fact, this is the largest fortress ever built in the Americas. From here they could see and defend against anyone foolish enough to try invading Cartagena. Every stone here was carried by hand, many by enslaved people forced to build the fortress. It's a beautiful place to visit, but it also holds the weight of Cartagena's colonial history. The ramps here were designed so cannons could be dragged up to the top. And let me tell you, they're steep on purpose. You'll be catching your breath halfway up, just like the invaders did. One of the coolest and creepiest parts of San Felipe is its network of tunnels. They twist, turn, and echo like a maze. Back in the day, soldiers used them to move in secret or lure enemies into a trap. Now, you're allowed to venture through these tunnels completely unguided. Such a cool experience. From these tunnels, they had eyes on every possible approach. The cannons at each opening weren't just decoration. They defended against pirates, like the infamous Francis Drake. And let's just say he didn't win. This fortress still stands today as a national symbol, proudly flying a massive Colombian flag at the top, which can be seen throughout the city. From the top, the view is breathtaking. You've got Boca Grande's skyscrapers on one side, the walled old city on the other, and the Caribbean stretching into the horizon. If you're visiting Cartagena, don't skip this experience. Tickets were around $8 when I visited. Bring good shoes, your own water, and your camera, because San Felipe isn't your typical quick fortress experience. I recommend a few hours here. I also recommend using the restroom before entering. Take your time exploring the tunnels, learning about the history, and reflecting on this story of resilience, power, and the city that refused to fall.